I'm a cat lover. I'm sorry.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Him that much. Hoppy!
Please, oh my god.
I'm not lazy. I'm just on saving energy mode.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that. Just look at it.
Stop. Okay. Sorry. Oh, fuck.
Back up. What the hell?
God damn it. Hey! Happy birthday to you.
go.
Let's check this out. No, Cass, don't. You fucker.
Oh, yeah.
Why are you standing in the kitty bed? Is it because the kitty is in your bed?
It's not a bad
Huh? Is that it? Oh my God.
Sometimes when we're home alone, me and Bae like to sing.
And we get a lot of looks when we take her for walks, and people ask a lot of questions because she's really...
Aren't you supposed to do something?
Sam! Sam! What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
My son didn't understand why he was barking until he found out he was deathly scared of balloons.
Then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you can take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel, sitting up there, feeling so high.
What are you doing in here?
Ağzını acıdı değil mi salak? Ağzını acıdı.
Sorry, my cat.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
That's so cool. It's water.
No, they are my chicken nuggets.
Look at the dog's scalp. Show me your teeth.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? All right. We get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Oh, and then what is this? Oh, that fits right fucking there. Wait, go. Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Alles on fleek, mama. Yeah.
Kaiser, what are you doing?
Hey! Drop that thing! Is it dead? Oh my...